Every day, friends, a new Telegram bot is released. Bybit has launched its Telegram bot. It was released after the Binance move. We will be launching it soon. It's a good opportunity. Today we will review Bybit's Telegram bot, entering much earlier than the announcement again. So we will receive an extra reward. How can you multiply your referral link? I will explain this to earn extra points. And how is the game played? Honestly, I like the game. I have to admit that, because there was the CoinSweeper game. We used to play it on Windows 98 or Windows 2000. I loved it. It's a bit of a puzzle game. Now I will explain the logic of this game. Let's move on to our video without wasting any time. Welcome back to our video, friends. As you can see on the screen right now, it says congratulations. It mentions that you are one of the first to enter the CoinSweeper game. And everyone following this community becomes one of the early participants. It's a nice thing. Telegram games. You know about Telegram bot games. Friends, the concept. We perform various tasks. We receive airdrops. Hamster Combat disappointed us because it had too many users. Binance has launched Moonbeaks. House users will be there. Our listings on Binance are guaranteed. We might earn more. Bybit is also a good exchange. They have released their own game and we are entering it first. Since you are part of our community, you are also entering for the first time. Now I will say play now. Let's get right into the referral topic. If you have a Twitter account, I will post the same video on Twitter. And I will say this under that Twitter post. Everyone should share their referral link. You can go to my Twitter profile, and to the video description. Register using one of the referrals there. But be careful. Sometimes there are links from middle scammers trying to steal from you. Check the accuracy of the link. I do not accept any responsibility. If you do not have a Twitter account, you can still access it through my link in the video description. I will also distribute a large portion of the reward I receive to you. My goal here is not to mine referrals. Now the game has come up, friends. The game is like Minesweeper. I will explain the game to you a little bit now. We detonated it. You will not hit the mines or the bombs. I said play again. Now you click anywhere. Look, there are 3 gold pieces in the top left corner that say 111. This means that for each one written, there is 1 bomb around it. And that bomb in the top left corner is definitely for us. Now look, friends, just below that left corner, there are 2 ones, friends, and there are 2 boxes underneath. Now one of these 2 boxes is a bomb. So I need to be careful when opening these. There is a green chip with the number 2 on it. Around it, there are a total of 1, 2, 3 boxes. 2 of them are bombs. I accepted that too. Now I'm clicking one from below. I'm clicking one more, while clicking another one. I hit a bomb. Let's restart. I'm clicking on any corner of the game. Usually when I enter the game, I tend to click a bit on the 4 corners and also in the middle, and I hit a bomb. Now look. Look up there, in that corner. There is one. The one next to it is definitely a bomb. We know this. There are 3 bombs next to the 3. We need to click on this. Now, there are 5 squares around. Now, under the friends of the 2 on the right, there are 2 square boxes. Both of these are bombs. And the one under the person in the middle is a bomb. Then the 2 around these 3 are not bombs. We know this and opened it easily. Let's continue. Look, there is that green one. We know that there are 2 bombs next to this green one. We know that the one below is a bomb. So, this one is not a bomb, guys. We opened it easily. There are 2 bombs around the 2. We know this. We won't touch it, so the one next to it is not a bomb. We opened it. These 2 friends are bombs. We know that. These 2 are bombs. Now I opened the box at the bottom right. It says there are 2 bombs. There was already one above. I opened the one next to it. It says there are 2 bombs. It was already up there. So this isn't a bomb, guys. It says there's 1 bomb. This area is a bomb. Then this isn't a bomb either, guys. I've gotten quite close to the end of the game. Winning the game here is very difficult. It's hard to collect points. Let's say that. Now there are 2 bombs around this greenery. These 2 are bombs. So one of these will be a bomb, the one on top. So, friends, I opened this box safely for me, and it already says there are 2 bombs. I have now opened the entire bottom part. We have reached the upper part. If I successfully complete the upper part, we will win the game. Now, these 2 here are definitely bombs, because there are 2 greens. 2 greens mean there are 2 bombs around them. So these 2 are bombs. Then the one below says 1. If this is a bomb, then this cannot be a bomb, friends. There is very little left in the game, and it shows 3. There are 3 bombs around it. This one is a bomb because of this. These 2 were already bombs. So neither of these 2 is a bomb, friends. And we completed the game. And I earned 681 points. It won't be that easy to earn points here. We have tasks now. If you connect your Bybit members, you will receive extra points. Friends, now, if you don't have any Bybit members, I'm leaving a link for you in the video description. You can see my campaign on the screen right now. When you sign up, you can win 50 cats. Hurry up, because there is a limited time and a limited number. Here, you click on sign up. Look, this is my referral code. If you don't have my referral code, you can enter 38249. You write your email and password here. Then, if you deposit $100, you win 50 cats. You earn $45 and get Bybit in your hands. This way, you will also earn extra points here. I clicked on connect. It asked me to enter my Bybit member ID here. It asked me to enter my Bybit UID. I opened my Bybit app, friends. I'm clicking on the head in the top left. Look, when I click on my UID here, it copies it automatically. Now I've come, friends. I pasted it here. I said connect. I click on connect again, and I linked my Bybit account. It wants me to join Bybit's Telegram channel. I said join. I came back, and I am also joining Bybit's other channel, friends. I joined both. I came back. I said check ability. Look at all of them. I earned an extra 6,000 points. I got 6,000 points for free from here. I pressed the multiply button. Friends, let's see what position I am in the leaderboard. 171,000 people have joined, so it's still very early. I'm the 6,000th person, friends. This is a bit of a brain game, and you'll see as you play. It's a fun game. They call it FAT in the bombing part. That 111 at the top indicates how many bombs are around, based on the number inside each token. This is the bomb, friends. We understand that this is a bomb. That's the logic. Friends, we have also created a group here where you can help each other regarding this bot. I will leave the link in the video description. You can join this group and ask any questions you may have. Overall, that's how the bot works. I may not have explained its usage well. I might not have shown the squares correctly. We can record another screen video. If necessary, I can show the screen directly. It might be better to demonstrate it with a pen from there. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.